Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take chlorella powder. First, understand that chlorella is a powerful superfood, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's known for its detoxifying properties and ability to support overall wellness. When selecting your powder, always opt for a high-quality, organic product to ensure purity and potency. This foundational step is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Now let's talk about mixing. Begin with a small amount, typically 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of chlorella powder. This helps your body adjust. Combine it thoroughly with 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen liquid. Water is fine, but many find that blending it into smoothies, fresh juices, or even a protein shake helps to mask its distinct, earthy taste. Stir or blend well to avoid clumps. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase your daily intake to 2 or 3 teaspoons. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of chlorella, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine. Many people prefer taking it in the morning or before meals to aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Regular use helps maintain its positive effects. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when taking chlorella, as it aids in the detoxification process. If you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your regimen. For more information and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.